This question is a bit tricky, so please try to listen carefully, okay? They told us that J folds a piece of rectangular paper along the diagonal AB. So from here, he folded it to become like that. Now, before we even move on, let's think about it. When you have folded this portion, right, this shaded portion is the overlap. Which means that if I were to fold this, okay, right now I'm going to fold this piece of paper. Y'all cannot really see it because my resolution is not that big. But y'all can roughly tell that if I fold this piece of paper, roughly, right, it looks something like this. So this middle portion, right, is actually overlapping. Okay, it's overlap. Okay, why do I want to tell you this? It's because it's this. They said that the ratio of the area of figure 2 to figure 1 is 4:7. If y'all try to think about it, the difference in area between figure 1 and figure B is that your figure B will definitely be smaller than your figure 2 will definitely be smaller than figure 1. The question is, by how much? Okay, they told us that this one is 2:1. This is figure 2 to figure 1. Your figure 2 has lost 3 units after folding. Your figure 1 remains at 7 units. Okay, I repeat, your figure 1 here is 7 units worth of area. Your figure 2 is 4 units worth of area. The loss in area is actually this overlap part. This is the loss in area. So if this is the loss in area, and then they tell us that the shaded area is 24, if I were to draw a model, it will look something like that. Figure 1 is 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your figure 2 is 4 units. Starting line the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. After I fold from figure 1 to become figure 2, right, my loss in unit is actually this portion because it overlaps. Which means that this one is 24 as given, right? And this one is the loss in unit, which means that this 3 units belongs to 24. If y'all cannot get this, please go back and watch the video again. Okay? Because once I fold the paper, the overlapping portion from here to here to here to here is the loss in area. And this loss in area, they have conveniently given it to us as 24. So this loss in area is 3 units. Okay? So once you're done this, you can say 1, 2, 3 units represents 24 cm square. And to find the area of the rectangular piece of paper, it is the original figure 1, which is 7 units. So 3 units equal to 24, 1 unit will be 24 divided by 3. This will give us 8. Okay, and the total is 7 units, so 7 units will be 7 multiplied by 8, and that will give us 56 cm square. Okay, this is quite tricky, so if you all do not get it, please go and rewatch it. There's only so many times I can do the folding, okay? Just go and watch it. That's the beauty of having a video. Just go and rewatch it if you all don't understand. Alright, done.